Hey learners, today we are going to study about codominance. In the codominance, co means together. It means that whatever two things are present, they are going to be dominant together. The codominance is actually a phenomena in which different alleles of a gene expresses independently in a heterozygote and form their respective products. For example, in a gene we have allele A1 and A2. Normally this is our gene and we have this A1, and this A1 is coding X substance while the other allele is coding Y substance. In a dominant and recessive relationship, we observe that only the dominant product can be observed, but in case of codominance, because they are dominant together, that is why instead of just observing one phenotype, we are going to observe two phenotypes together. So that is why we are calling it codominance. It means that A1 is going to express its product, A2 is going to express its product, so we are going to observe XY product. To study this concept, we can take the example of MN blood group system, which was first discovered by Landsteiner and Levine. This is based on the presence of antigens on the red blood cells. So there are three types of phenotypes, which is M, N, and MN. So these three phenotypes, they are observed. Here we can see that for the phenotype M, we can see that we have alleles LM, LM. So they both are together. That is why we are observing only M phenotype. For the phenotype N, we are having LN and LN. So this is also homozygous. But when we have MN phenotype, we can see that in the genotype we have LM and LN. So it is a heterozygote. But LM is also expressing and LN is also expressing. That is why we are having blood group of M. And this is because when the antigen is produced on the red blood cell, we have M antigen, so blood group will be M. We have M and N antigens, we will have a blood group of MN. And when we have the antigen of N, then we have a blood group of M. So as they both are expressing together, nothing is dominant and nothing is recessive. That is why we are saying this is a codominance. For codominance, if a man of M blood group marries a woman of N blood group, all their children, they will have MN blood group. So here we have a man with a blood group of M. So we can see their gametes have LM, and here we have a woman which has a blood group of N, and we can see these are the alleles in the gametes. So when this will fuse with MN, we are having this genotype, and we know that this genotype expresses MN blood group. So we will have MN blood group here, similarly here, here, and here. So we are going to have 100% offsprings with blood group of MN. So this is what codominance is. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.